Hello grade 1 students, how all of you are doing? I believe that all of you are doing great. So welcome back to our another class for subject science. So as you know that last week we studied our last chapter for the book. So we have done with our book for all the lessons. So now we will start reviewing from the beginning, okay? So we will review again and then we will learn some new things, okay? So from now onwards we will continue reviewing all the lessons, okay? So today we will review lesson 1, okay? 1.1 animals and plants alive, okay? So what I do, I read first and then I will explain, okay? So you will learn words to learn: living, plant, animal, alive, non-living, and look, okay? So can you see a living plant? Can you see a living animal? Can you see things that have never been alive? The sun is hot, but it is not alive. It is a non-living thing. So next activity 1.1. What living things can we find? Okay, what living things can you find? Okay, go outside to look at living things. Photograph and draw those you find. Look for the largest living thing you can see. Look for the smallest living thing you can find. Try to find 6 living things. Talk about the photos below with your friend. Which photos show things that are alive? Which photos show things that are non-living? How do you know which things are alive? So let's have a look here. So I have some photos here, okay? Living things, okay? Human being, okay? Like we are living things, human beings, okay? We are living things. And insects. So all the insects are living things, like a mosquito and flies, okay, dragonfly and ants. So even ants, they are living things, okay. Animals like cow, wolf, okay, and dog, cat, okay, like farm animals and animals in the water. So they are also living things. And birds, okay. Birds are living things. And next, plants. So all the plants like mango plant, orange plant, okay, vegetable plants, okay, all the plants are living things. So what about the non-living things? Non-living things, you can see here, you can see buildings. So buildings are non-living things. And stone. So and what about other living things like chair? So you can see this chair here. I got this chair. So this chair is a non-living thing. Okay, it's a non-living thing. So how do we differentiate living things and non-living things? How do we know that it is a living thing and it is a non-living thing? So let's have a look here. So first, living things can breathe, okay? We breathe, okay? So all the living things, they breathe, okay? But non-living things do not breathe, okay? So like, can this chair breathe? No. But we human beings, animals, okay, and even plants, they breathe, okay? So living things breathe, but non-living things do not breathe. Eat. So we need food every day. We need to eat every day for energy, okay, and to grow, okay, and to survive. So all living things need food, okay. We eat food every day, 3 times a day, okay. So and we also need water. Living things need water, okay. But non-living things do not eat, okay. Like again, can this chair? So can this chair eat? No, and they don't require food. So living things require food, but non-living things do not require food. Okay. Reproduce. Reproduce means like living things make new babies, okay, but non-living things do not reproduce, okay. Have senses. So human being, we have 5 senses. like a sense of taste, sense of we can hear things, so hear and touch, okay, and smell, okay, and see, sight, okay. So living things have 5 senses, okay. So all living things can feel touch, okay. All living things like animals can smell food, okay, and animals can hear other things, okay, and animals can see other things, okay. So all living things have senses, okay. But non-living things do not have any senses, okay. Non-living things like a table or a chair or a door do not have any sense. They cannot feel hot, they cannot feel cold, okay, and they cannot have any taste, so they have no senses. Living things die, okay. So all living things have a lifespan, okay. So they die, okay, but non-living things don't die. They can be there forever. Or living things, we break them. They don't die, but we can break them. Or okay, and living things grow, okay. Living things grow, like, okay, we human beings, so we grow big. When we are born, then we are little babies, and then we grow big, okay. So that's why we need food to grow big, okay. But non-living things don't grow, okay. Like this chair, this is a small chair, so it will not grow. It will just be a small chair for a long time, okay. So non-living things cannot grow, but living things can grow, okay. All living things grow big. So these are the differences between living things and non-living things. That's how we know that which is a living thing and which one is a non-living thing, okay. So if you will have any questions, any doubts regarding living things and non-living things, okay. And one more, non-living things are man-made, okay. So like most of the non-living things are man-made. Like this chair is like man-made, okay, like a human being, like we make them, okay. So that's it, okay. So if you will have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me, and task 1 will be posted in the group, okay. So I will give you task 1. First I want you to watch this video, okay. So close your books, do not write down anything, so just watch this video, okay. And then I will give you task 1. I will give you enough time. So if you will have any doubts, any questions regarding your today's lesson, you can ask me, okay. So that's it. I will see you in the second video. Bye bye. Hello students, welcome back to our second video for today's class. So today we are learning about being alive, animals and plants alive. So we are learning about living and non-living things, okay. So living things can eat, breathe, and they grow big and they reproduce, but non-living things cannot do anything. So living things don't grow big, non-living things don't grow big, they don't breathe, they don't need food, okay. So these are the differences between living things and non-living things, okay. So coming on to your task 2. Task 2 will be posted in the group. And I want you to do one thing. If you have not studied anything in the book, okay, or you have not done anything yet in the book, so you can tell me, so we will do that activity in task 2, okay, or otherwise I will give you extra activity, okay. So you can check your book for 1.1, okay. So check your book and then you can tell me, okay. So if you have not done any activities in the book, you can let me know, so we will do that activity, or I can give you that activity as a homework, okay. So that's it in the second video. If you will have any doubts, any questions regarding task 2, you can ask me, okay. I will be there to help you. And one more thing, so when you write on your textbook, use pencil, and when you write on your notebook, you can use pen, okay. Do not write with the pen on your textbook, okay. So that's it. In the second video, I will see you in the last and third video. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today. So today we learned about living and non-living things, okay? Animals and plants alive, okay? What does it mean alive? Alive means we breathe, okay? We walk, we eat, okay? So when a person or an animal is dead, they are no longer here, so they are dead means they cannot eat anymore, they cannot breathe anymore, okay? So they just dead, okay? So they don't move anymore. So being alive means we can walk, we can eat, we can breathe, we can feel senses, okay? So that's what it means, okay? So living things are alive, okay? So living things like human being, okay? Animals, okay, like cow, horse, cat, okay? Even insects, okay? Insects are also living things. Insects like mosquitoes and some insects we cannot see with naked eyes, okay? They are also living things, okay? Birds, all the birds are living things, okay? What about non-living things? Non-living things like buildings. You go out, you see a lot of buildings, you see cars, okay? You see tables, chairs, and stones, okay? So all these things are living things. So how we differentiate living and non-living things? So living things can breathe, okay? But non-living things do not breathe. Living things eat, okay? We need food almost every day, okay? But non-living things do not eat. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Living things have senses. We have senses. We feel cold, we feel touch, okay? We can taste food, okay? We can hear things, we can see, okay? But non-living things do not have any senses. Living things, we die, okay? Living things, all living things die, okay? But non-living things don't die. Living things grow, we grow big, okay? But non-living things don't grow, okay? So these are the differences between living things and non-living things, okay? So coming on to your homework. So your homework will also be posted in the group, okay? So again, if you haven't done anything in the book yet, so you can tell me, okay? So as I mentioned in the last video, so we can do it as a homework or we can do it as a task too, okay? So you can let me know, okay? So that's it for today, okay? I will see you next week, okay? So thanks for participating. Take care and be safe. Bye bye.